Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can enable a one-handed keyboard in iPhone. I wonder why you want to use a one-handed keyboard in your iPhone. It is because you find the one-handed keyboard easy, so you could only have to use your one hand for typing. Maybe because you are a left-hand person or a right-hand person, so you just want to move the keyboard to your preferable side. So that's why you're looking for it, or it could be any other reason for you to enable a one-handed keyboard in your phone. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Right now, as you can see, I have the simple keyboard which is all over the screen. So you have to use your both hands for typing because some of the keys are on the right side and some of the keys are on the left side. So we will see how we can only use one hand for keyboard. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone. This is the settings icon. You just have to simply tap on it and then settings will open. As you can see on the top, it says settings and it has a lot of options. So from all these options, what we have to do is we have to get onto this section, and from this section you have to select this first option, which is general. Just simply click on it and general will open. Here we have all the options which are general for our phone. You just have to scroll down a bit and then you will see this option keyboard. Just simply click on it and then you will get onto the keyboard section. So you have to select the third option, which is one-handed keyboard. Right now, as you can see, it is turned off. So we will see how we can use it. Just click on it and you will get three options. If you select the first option, then the one-handed keyboard will be turned off and the keyboard will be like we used. And if you select the left option, then the keyboard will get to the left side and you could use your left hand. And if you click on the right, then the keyboard will be moved to right side and you could use with your right hand. So if you're a person who uses its left hand mostly, then you can enable it to the left side, and if you're a person who uses the mobile with the right hand most, then you can enable to the right side. So whichever is more preferable, you can use it. You just have to simply tap on it. As I selected the right option, now you can see we just got the keyboard on the right side of the screen, so we only have to use the right hand for typing. So you can see how it is easy for you. Now I have just clicked on the left side and the keyboard will be moved to the left side. As you can see, this is how the keyboard will look, and now you can use it with your left hand. And if you want to turn it off, you can also turn it off by just tapping on the first option, and then the keyboard will be turned back to the simple keyboard. So whichever option is more preferable for you, or whichever option you find the most useful or easy, you can select it by just tapping on it. So I'll show you once again. You first have to go to the settings. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on the general option, which is down below. You just have to simply click on it. After that, you have to just get down and click on keyboards, and you have to select this third option, one-handed keyboard, and then you can select any one of these three options, which is most useful for you. You can select it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable the one-handed keyboard in your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.